Siemens, I became a managing director of a small software company, 15 people, and we developed software for cars, for the automotive industry. And once in a while, the software was safety critical. And again, I ended up doing mature processes. And in 2001, I started my own company, Methodpark Software AG, and there we did engineering, again, for safety critical systems, medical devices, and also the automotive industry. And we started to do consulting to teach our customers how to do high quality software, safety critical software, and so on. And since 2002, we developed the product Stages. Stages is nowadays a kind of a standard product in the automotive industry to define and model the engineering processes that are needed in the automotive industry. So our largest customers in the United States is General Motors. In Germany, it's all the 5 German OEMs, as well as large suppliers like Bosch, Siemens, Continental, and so on. This brings me here to EuroSPI. I joined EuroSPI the first time in '99 in Copenhagen, and I'm coming back every other year whenever it's possible, because here you can meet a lot of interesting people, interesting talks, like the keynotes of today always bring some new ideas that are worthwhile to think about, and start some new ideas for creating business. And also the people here at EuroSPI are very important. Most of them are decision makers, and the one or the other business idea got created at EuroSPI. This is the reason why I'm coming back.
Okay, so you've been coming here since 1999 to EuroSPI.
Yes.
What actually made you come to EuroSPI? How did you find out about it?
I think Richard found me. So it was Richard Messnerz, the head of EuroSPI. We ran across in some meetings. I think it was an EU project, and then I took lessons about spice with Richard, and he talked me into that I have to come to EuroSPI. And yeah, I like that idea.
You've been coming for a long time.
Yes,
yeah.
Definitely.
And what is the value that you see in EuroSPI?
I think it's that EuroSPI gives lots of possibilities to talk to each other. So you can take away interesting ideas, and you can connect with people from all over the world. So it's not anymore EuroSPI, it's a global SPI, because we have people from Japan here this year, from the United States, and so on. I think it's even beyond Europe what's happening here. And this makes it so interesting, and this makes me to come back.
Okay. And in your opinion, what would be the next challenges for SPI?
The next challenges for SPI is that I think we have, in the future, it's not only about engineering, it's also about business. We have to engineer our business. So when you think about a new product, it's not only about software engineering and hardware engineering and systems engineering. You also have to start to engineer the business that will be developed with this new product, because with any kind of new product these days, you have to offer services, and you have to think about these services, because some of these services will have an impact on the design of the product. So what you should do, you should, from the very first moment on developing a new product, you also have to develop the business processes for that. And this means that if we're talking about software process improvement, we also have to encounter the business processes that we have to improve and to integrate into the software development processes. This is a challenge. This is a new